Are you worried about losing your job? Much of today's technology is automating jobs out of existence. And we have lots of people that are concerned about where their next job is going to come from. However, the same technology that's taking our jobs away is also giving us superhuman abilities. We have instant access to friends and family, instant answers to almost any question, and instant entertainment if we ever get bored. We can now think faster, know faster, and do faster than ever before. At the same time, we can no longer count on a job for the rest of our lives. This idea of a career ladder is now broken, and it's being replaced with a skills ladder. Every new technology requires different skills to function well in today's emerging world. Here are just a few of the more unusual skills that are going to be needed in the future. The first one is a data hostage specialist. Holding a person hostage is very messy, but holding somebody's data hostage, that's a crime that's far less risky. It can be done remotely, and the chances of getting caught are very remote. So if you have the ability to free somebody's data from being held hostage, you're going to be in high demand in the future. Computer personality designer. Talking back and forth to a computer that has a machine-like voice is very boring. But being able to talk to a computer that has a personality, that's quite different. So if you have the ability to design personalities for a computer in the future, you're going to be in hot demand for basement dwellers everywhere. Energy storage developers. We are terrible at storing energy from one day to the next. Once energy storage systems go mainstream, grid storage will become viable, and we begin a transition towards building microgrids everywhere. Amnesia surgeons. These are the doctors who are skilled at removing bad memories or destructive behavior. Lip designers. If your unborn baby could have any lips in the world, what would they look like? Extinction Revivalists. These are the people who revive extinct animals. Robotic earthworm drivers. The most valuable land on the planet is actually our landfills. And that's simply because we've buried all of our most valuable natural resources in them. In the future, robotic earthworms are going to be used to silently mine all the landfills and replace whatever is extracted with high-grade soil. Future jobs are going to be generated in thousands of different areas. The ones that I just listed here for you were just intended to spark your imagination. So are you going to have the skills necessary for the future? My column on this topic and many more can be found at futuristspeaker.com. Thank you very much.